wonderful to see them moving again. And it's on its way to its new location on the grounds here. And it looks like it's working just fine.
Lunch is at 10 to 1. Okay, I'm at the picnic area. And I'll tell you. Lunch is at 10 to 1. Did you give me a break? Yeah. And the same thing. It's 0.4. Well, I'll write it down. 0.4. Practically walk along. Yes. And halfway through.
They got that engine purring just fine. Thing is, it's all mechanical. There's no hydraulics in that thing at all.
So do you know what year of it is?
Oh, it would be in the 30s.
It's not quite as old as the other one.
No, no. And what we got here, Jim?
Well, what we got here is a Dominion. It's rigged up as a clamshell for just moving stockpile material. They load railway cars, trucks with it.
Okay.
They might load an asphalt plant or cement plant.
Okay.
That's what they were usually used for.
Okay.
Pretty simple, basic machine. It's on crawlers.
How old is it? Do you know?
Not really, no. No.
Roughly?
Larry would know.
Okay.
Larry would know. And he's a little more familiar with the Dominion than I am.
Okay. Well, why don't we go over to the cabin? You just point out some of the controls on it for it.
Up in the cab here, we've got a group of levers back in here. They're mainly to deal with the clutches and things to make the different operations in the machine move and do what they're supposed to do. Of course, you've got the operator's seat where you sit. It's a little wee bit wiggly there. Should be done up. Here, this big wheel here, that clutches the tracks so you can steer. That steers the tracks on it.
Okay.
And then these levers here, these two here, they operate the clamshell out there.
Okay.
And you have your swing lever to swing it back and forth. And the other one here, that puts another clutch in another gear, so this same lever actually swings the machine, and when the mover is moved into another position, it takes and makes it so you can crawl back and forth with the crawlers.
Okay.
And,
what sort of engine does it have? Do you know?
It's got a little International in it.
Okay.
A little 4-cylinder International diesel, or not diesel. It's a gas engine in this one.
Gasoline engine. Okay.
Yeah. Basically, it's the same thing out of a farm tractor, pretty near.
Okay. Okay.
Larry here, he'd be able to take and tell you more about what model it is and what year.
Yeah, it's a 39 Dominion.
Okay.
Canadian made in Montreal.
Made in Montreal, okay.
It's called a 350, Model 350 Gopher, which was a half-yard machine. So whether it was a clamshell, drag line, or front shovel, they all be half-yard.
Okay. Where was it working for its life, or do you know?
We don't know the original history of it. Where we got it from, there was a scrapyard down around Erin.
Okay.
It was in there. I don't know how long it was in there. John Hoover, he'll know more about that history, but the original history we don't know.
Okay. But
yeah,
it looked like it was working for a living for most of its.
Yeah.
So it was well used.
Yeah. Lots of wear and tear on it.
But they're rare. They're a Canadian piece. They only made, of the Model 350 like this, they only made 48 of them.
Is that right?
Yeah. So they're pretty rare.
That's nice to, well, need a little bit of paint, but it looks like the
Yep.
mechanicals are all working.
Yeah.
Yep.
And you got it moving.
Yep.
So that's,
Yeah, actually runs pretty good.
Now, you were an operator?
Yeah.
Okay.
Years ago. Years ago.
You still got her though.
Yeah.
Well, you seem to. I mean, certainly better than me, that's for sure.
Well, and then I'm a heavy-duty mechanic too, so that
okay.
that helps sort things out. Gives you a one-up on things.
Okay.
Helps out.
Good.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Oh, you're very welcome now.